Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine. Dear students, today we are going learn about an English poem of class 7th. The title of the poem is Sympathy. Sympathy means hamdardi. Has been written by Charles Mackay. He was a Scottish poet, a lyricist, and a journalist. He was born in 1814 in Scotland. Now, before starting, I will give you a brief introduction of the poem. One day, the poet was in trouble. He was ill. A rich man who was poor came to know about the poet's grief. The rich man helped the poet with money, but he did not express any sympathy. After a few days, the poet got well and returned the poor man his money and thanked him for his monetary help. Once again, the poet fell ill and lay in bed. A poor man passed by that way. He sympathized with the poet. He bound his head, gave him food and water, and nursed him for several days and nights. The poet got well again, but he could not repay the debt of kind men service. Surely sympathy is greater than money. Now I will read the poem. I lay in sorrow, deep distress, my grief a poor man heard. He looked where gold, he gave me gold, but not a kind word. My sorrow past, I pay him back the gold he gave to me. Then stood erect and spoke my thanks, and blessed his charity. I lay in want and grief a pain, and a poor man passed my way. He bound my head, he gave me bread, he watched me night and day. How shall I pay him back again for all he did to me? Oh, gold is great, but greater far is heavenly sympathy. No introduction in Urdu. मैं दुख में पड़ा था बुरी तरह परेशान. मेरे दुख को एक अमीर आदमी ने सुना. उसकी आंखें थी सरद, उसने दिया मुझे सोना, लेकिन उसने एक लफ्ज़ भी हमदर्दी का ना बोला. मेरा दुख गुजर गया, मैंने उसको लौटा दिया वो सोना वो पैसा जो उसने मुझे दिया था. मैं सीधा खड़ा हो गया और उसका शुक्रिया अदा किया और उसके दुआएं दी. उसकी हैरात को उसने जो हैरात का काम किया था. मैं पड़ा था गरीबी में, पड़ा था जख्मी, पड़ा था दुख में. वहां से एक गरीब आदमी गुजरा, उसने मेरे सर को बांधा, उसने मुझे रोटी दी, उसने दिन रात मेरी देखभाल की. मैं उसका कर्ज कैसे चुका पाऊं जो उसने मेरे साथ किया. अहम होता है सोना, अहम होता है पैसा, लेकिन उससे भी अहम है खुदा की तरफ की जाने वाली हमदर्दी. Now I will write some word meanings on whiteboard for you. First word is sympathy, meaning हमदर्दी. Deep distressed, meaning परेशानी. Charity, meaning हैरात. Thanks.